Hi friends, this is Jodhimani Kalyanam, Sridharnya Smart Service. We are providing cutting floater machines. If you want to search the cutting floater dealer, we are the best dealer, one of the cutting floater dealer. Okay. We are providing this channel cutting floater details, images, videos, description and service maintenance also we are providing. So must watch our channel and like, subscribe. Let's go. So this is Saga cutting floater machines. Not only we are providing sales, machine sales, we are providing all in all hardware and the software also we can provide it. So one of the part, this is the cutting floater spares explain spare how to the spare life explaining and spare quality explain this video about. Okay, you can see that Saga machine. This is just Saga machine carriage. You can see that the carriage is good quality carriage, life very long life in carriage, and you can see the carriage accessories, flat cable or relay cable. This is sensor, carriage sensor. You can see the carriage sensor. This is carriage sensor, the relay cable slat. Okay, this is a carriage rail, and this is a belt in carriage support belt. Okay, this is a bed. This is a strip, bed strip, pinch roller bed metal roller bed, and this is here power switch and power guard slat, fuse. This fuse, earth wire. And you see the carriage belt motor, stepper motor, belt stepper motor. This motor connect to the belt and this motor wire connect to in motherboard. And you see the belt accessories in, you can unscrew the screw, you can change it the belt. This is a bed stepper motor, bed connecting stepper motor, USB port, COM port, USB port, and you can see the USB flat cable connecting the motherboard connecting. This is a keyboard and a display. The two cables are coming from motherboard, display and a keyboard. These are the power supply. Power supply to motherboard when connecting wire. This is motherboard. And the bed stepper motor. So in this video very useful to you. For more videos you can please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share. Thank you for good opportunity. Jodhimani Kalyanam. Thank you.